Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be providing a market update and analysis for Vulcan forged PYR. So if you are new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. So in my last video on PYR, that was roughly 3 weeks ago, and I was talking about PYR around this time here, and I discussed how if we make it back up to this red zone, that would be the major area of resistance to expect some sort of rejection at, and we would like to flip this red zone as support if we are able to get back above to this level. And so far, PYR has been unable to make any forward progress. The positive thing about PYR is it is holding its low formed on this May 12th capitulation. And a lot of altcoins, including Ethereum, have actually taken out this low that was formed on the May 12th capitulation and are showing some weakness, whereas PYR has not taken out that low. It's holding it, and it's holding it pretty comfortably. You can see here, in order for us to get back down to that low, PYR would have to drop 18.5%. And some altcoins are already closing below their prior low. So that's a positive look. It shows that PYR is holding up relatively strong compared to the other altcoins, although it's still weak. It's still got some areas where it could obviously try to reclaim. So we have this moving average here. There's actually two moving averages. Together they form this band. This is the 20-day simple moving average and the 21-day exponential moving average. And you can see how there was this key rejection off of the band here. I'm going to circle that just to kind of highlight how, basically we've had two key rejections off of this band, and really those key rejections led price to new lows. So currently we have seen yet another rejection in the short term. We could obviously turn around and get right back above it, but as of right now, as I'm recording this video, we have a pretty defined and clear rejection off of this band here, with the closing price getting just below the top of this band. And you can see how we're starting to come back down, and we're really testing this low formed on May 27th. We're also kind of testing this candle close on the capitulation day. And really, I would expect most of this to continue to be dependent on Bitcoin and whether or not Bitcoin is able to start trending back out of the $20,000 level. Because right now we're seeing a lot of altcoins, and specifically Ethereum, that are just kind of getting crushed against Bitcoin, where Bitcoin does this thing where it's kind of going sideways or it's trending down, and it's not really taking out its low. But a lot of altcoins are, and they're making new lows, and they're bleeding a lot with respect to Bitcoin. So they're underperforming Bitcoin, and we're seeing kind of that altcoin weakness across the board. But PYR is actually holding up relatively fine here in the short term. We're seeing how it's holding this low so far. And what we'd like to see is kind of breaking this, general downward resistance, getting back above the 20-day and 21-day exponential moving average, kind of getting back above those moving averages and starting to trend back up. Ultimately, we would like to see a retest of this red zone. I expect that we most likely will get that if we can reclaim the 20-day and the 21-day exponential moving averages. If we can do that, then that would be pretty good for the short term. I would expect, though, if we continue to reject off this level and kind of form a new low, we do have some support in this green zone. If we go all the way back to the summer of 2021, we can see how this was like the June 2021 high, and then we came back down when we broke above it on this 57% plus candle. We came back down, and then later a few days we retested this as support. It held, and that was kind of the sign that we were ready to continue an uptrend. So in the event that we do make it back down below the May 12th capitulation low, I would expect this green zone to hold as support, but most likely we would not get down to this level unless Bitcoin is trending down to, say, the low $20,000 level. So that's the end of my PYR analysis. I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope you guys leave some comments and some feedback. I really do appreciate those, and I will see you in the next one.